Bastos. Ayusin ko daw, sabi ng nagsabi na ayusin ko daw. Okay. I have a surprise delivery from Shein. Na dapat ito is expected to be delivered this March 3, between March 3 and 5, pero it was delivered early. I don't know why. Buti na lang. Honestly, wala kaming pera, so ang ginawa namin, yung mga binigay sa amin na hadiah ng kasama ko, hinati-hati namin. Imbis wala pa kaming time ang gano. Kasi, nakalagay naman sa date March 3 to March 5. Pero, it was delivered early. Bakit kaya? Made in China. Product name, female bag. Ito yun siya, Again. Ayusin ko daw. Hindi ko ba maayos yun? It's Goyard. It's Goyard inspired bag.
Bakit pa ako kunan? Bakit bibigyan niyo ako pera kung makikita niyo ako?
Sino?
Mga tao.
Bakit gusto ka pang makita? Uy, nandito na naman. Mamaya, bawal na naman. Pwede na? Hi, universe! This is a Goyard-inspired bag made it comes in Shein. Ginaya-gaya na ng Shein lahat. Meron na silang Michael Kors, meron na silang Gucci, meron na silang YSL, at saka ito, Goyard, Bago lang to, last week na, sila, nag-Goyard sale.
Diba yung Goyard nila, nung nasisira naman?
Hindi siguro yung original din, parang class A lang.
Pero nga matagal siya mayroon na ganun, pag ganun. Pero napuputol na yung hanggang
Oo, yung kasi, ito kasi, parang ginaya lang kasi to nila. Pero tingnan mo naman yung itsura, totoo. Ganito ang itsura ng Goyard. Usually, yung
iba niya blue.
Like, meron siya, comes lahat ng kulay. May blue, may black, may brown, gray,
yung doon blue.
Red, violet, green.
But why you didn't buy black? And any dress can match.
I have so much black bag already. No need the all black. Yes. And then, inside of it is ganyan lang siya, hollow. You can put anything. It's very useful. And this one is, you can detach it. Detachable yung pouch niya. But usually, hindi ito siya nagagamit. Ito yung part ng bag na hindi nagagamit yung pouch. Pero ito siya. Useful sa akin. Because mahilig akong magsalaksak ng kahit ano inside my bag. Worth it yung price. Alam mo yung original price dito nung una, 75, naging 61, naging 45, tapos naging 38. Nung nag-38, saka ako siya chinek-out. And fortunately, this morning, it has earlier than the schedule. It comes with so all in all is siya, only 98 something. Kasi yung iba dun, kaya siya nag-total ng 100 something because of the COD fee and shipping fee.